Let's see whose feet you got. You got Daddy's feet. Why are you running away from me? Huh? Are you running away from me? Huh? Why? With the pretty feet. Mommy just want to show Daddy your pretty feet. Huh? Show Daddy your pretty feet. Whose feet are those? Kayla. Okay, show Daddy what you do all the time. You run away from me. Run, 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 run. I got you now. Got you now. Mommy come get you right now. Mommy come to get you. Because you can run with them feet. Careful. You okay? Stop. Mommy just want to show Daddy your feet. Daddy's feet. Daddy's feet. Yeah, Daddy's feet. Say hi, Dada.
La la la, lass uns.
Always on them tiptoes. And always dancing. And always drinking tea. Why are you looking so mad? No, don't break stuff. See, that's what happens when you break stuff. Uh-oh. All right. Break.